Hey guys, what is up? It is Wednesday night. I'm sitting here editing Cat Lady Box February 2021. I'll leave that up here if you haven't seen it already. It's been a crazy couple of days. We had a major snowstorm Tuesday morning to the point where I was quote-unquote late for work, even though we opened late because of the snowstorm, and, sorry for the glare. I'm like, stupid glare. But yeah, Dad and I spent 3.5 hours shoveling my car out, just my car out, so I can go to work, and then he spent another 2 hours shoveling the rest of the driveway after I had left for work. Yeah, it was a lot of snow. So much so that Tuesday night, I picked up my niece and nephew. They spent the night, and we had a couple of fun days playing in the snow. It was a lot of fun. So the first day, we went in my backyard, and Don and I helped them build a ramp to take their sled down. So I will play you that clip right now. Walk the sissy that way.
I'll take a picture of me here.
What? No, you gotta get yourself up.
I can.
Yes, you can. Come on.
I can.
Roll over. You got snowsuit on. All right, where are we making this hill?
I'm on my dump truck.
What?
I'm on my dump truck.
Your dump truck.
Yeah.
Look at the sick ramp we made. Can't really see it.
No, look, you're ruining it. Hey.
And then today, I took them into town and took them by the rec center, and they went sledding on the big hill, which was, it was so much work going up that hill. You never, like, I don't understand, like, as a child, when you go sledding, you go up and down these hills, like, repeatedly, over and over and over and over again. I went down the hill a couple times with my nephew on the sled, and like having to go back up that hill. Your girl is tired. So tired. Alright, so we're at a big hill. Can you see the kids? I don't know, the sunlight's in my eyeballs. There they are. We're at a big hill today. Sledding. Hey, the blanket! What are you doing to the snow?
How you did up. It's so hard.
Come on, Michaela! You want to play hard? You gotta work hard.
I want book 5.
You have fun?
I want to do book 5.
You gotta do what?
I want book 5 down there with you.
I don't know if this is the smartest idea.
Ready?
Wait, hold on. Watch your foot. Hang on to Auntie's foot. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wait, oh God.
Why am I going sideways? What is going on? Hold on. What's going on? That was fun. And then I came home, or we came home, made them lunch. I'm very famous for my grilled cheese sandwiches. So they wanted grilled cheese sandwiches. And we watched Harry Potter. And we left the house at like 5:30 in the afternoon. And yeah, now I'm home. Now I'm home, editing, resting. I get to have tomorrow off, so I'm going to edit some more. And yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm chilling. I'm pretty tired. Because my nephew woke me up a couple times. Like, my body was not ready to wake up this morning due to the fact that I shoveled for like 3.5 hours that morning, the morning before. And I'm just tired now, so tomorrow I'm going to sleep in. Do a couple things around the house, but mainly sleep in. Get some more videos up for you guys. And yeah. Also, still having fun making thumbnails. I hope you guys are liking the thumbnails. And the videos, of course, but the thumbnails have been so much fun to make. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning. It's almost the afternoon, actually, because it's like 11:30. I've been up for a little bit. I woke up at like maybe a little before 9 o'clock. And I just realized one of my posters are ripped. Cat or child from yesterday? Probably cat. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I've been up. I'm in the process of editing a video. I kind of wanted to get a couple of videos edited and ready to go today because next week at some point I will be working on the new food and book video. So episode number 2. I'm hoping it, as I'm looking at my calendar, the last day is Sunday next week in February, the 28th. So I'm hoping to have it done then. Hopefully by the time you see this actual clip, it's already up. If it is, I will leave it up here. That's the plan. So I need to also today, on top of I'm doing laundry and editing videos, I do need to go onto Pinterest and get a grocery list going, and what's the other thing? And then, yeah, I gotta prepare and get ready for that. So episode 2 is coming your way, getting a grocery list together, and so forth. Yeah, not much going on at home other than that. I do have to teach today. I have to leave for the studio a little bit earlier because I'm the first class today, so I have to go to the studio and make sure everything is ready to go. And then I'm going to come home because tomorrow I have to work. I'm making a HelloFresh meal tonight. We're doing tacos. And yeah, that's it. That's what's going on. Just doing some house stuff, getting my house, trying to get my house back in order after the kids have been here. And yeah, talk to you guys real soon. This is the, that's the poster that's ripped. I feel like that's Cat, because she can jump up here and get to that. Well, time for that to come down.